Ready to grow your gardening skills this winter? Join us for the Home Gardening Webinar Series 2026, Thursday evenings from January 8th through March 12th, 6 to 7 p.m. Central Time. Stream live on Facebook or join us on Zoom. We've lined up 10 inspiring sessions to help you dig deeper and grow smarter. Gardening for wildlife. Turn your yard into a haven for birds and wildlife. Small changes make a big impact. January 8th. Recommended vegetable cultivars for Iowa. Wondering which varieties thrive in Iowa? Get insider tips from a pro. January 15th. Growing great garlic. Learn how to grow flavorful garlic straight from a farmer who plants 45,000 bulbs a year. January 22nd. Right perennial, right place. Match plants to your site for stunning low-maintenance gardens. January 29th. Green roofs for home gardeners. Discover how rooftops can become lush, productive spaces. February 5th. DIY soil health monitoring. 3 simple tests to track your soil's health. No lab required. February 12th. Why choose native plants? Design landscapes that are beautiful, sustainable, and pollinator friendly. February 19th. Specialty cut flowers. Grow blooms that wow, perfect for bouquets and beyond. February 26th. From sight to scent, create sensory-rich spaces that engage all 5 senses. March 5th. A place for pollinators. Invite bees, butterflies, and birds into your garden with thoughtful plant choices. March 12th. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these sessions will inspire you to grow with confidence. Join us live on Zoom or Facebook. Your garden will thank you. Registration opens in December. See you Thursday nights. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube so you don't miss a single session.